I feel pretty confident that if and when I do have problems, that they are going to take care of it, and it's not going to be a battle like it sometimes is with companies where, you know, you have to show them the receipt and then they try to get you with the fine print, like, oh, I'm not going to cover that because of X, Y, Z. That hasn't been an issue. My name is Adam, and my house is in the Grove. It was nerve-wracking because it's buying a house, and that's a lot of money, and it's, you know, years and years of investment, and it's not something you can just go back on real quick if it's not perfect. But I felt like overall it was as easy as it could be. I really like things customized and in a certain way. So I would find one that 90% was right, but still 10% I would say, oh, the bathrooms aren't how I want them, and the kitchen's this way, and the paint color, but everything else is great. Or those are good, but the back patio is too small, or just, you know, small things. And if you're going to buy something like a house, you want to make sure it's as close to perfect as you can get it. From the foundation through all the wirings and the framing and everything, we got to go just kind of see it in action. When I needed to customize things, they would let me know exactly when, exactly where, when I could come by and check on certain things to make sure they were right. And we were always able to, you know, peek our heads in, see the progress, and it was really interesting to not only see how it was built, but know that, you know, that's our house that's being built, and we just really enjoyed doing it. I had looked at Tabor houses before, so I kind of knew that it was a good builder that I might want to go with. They put me in touch with the sales manager. It took a lot of the legwork out of it. I wasn't really concerned or overwhelmed by having to do a lot of it myself, which was nice. It's an open floor plan where the kitchen and dining room and living room is all just a big space with, you know, tall ceilings. I've always enjoyed cooking, but never really had the storage space and never really had just the counter space to do a lot of what I've wanted to do. You know, you can't buy certain appliances, you can't do certain projects because you just need more room than what I had before. So that's been really wonderful. It's got a real nice fireplace. Just everything about it is very great for having family over, having friends over. It's very homey, very comfortable. So that's one thing that I really like. There was a lot of rain, and there was a backup in the water, and it was fixed next day with no, you know, damage to the house or anything. There's a couple things that I called on that I wasn't sure if it was a problem. You know, I thought, oh, is there water leaking here? And they came and looked, and they said, oh, it's not. That's just, you know, that's normal. But still, they came out and checked, and even though it wasn't anything that was problematic, they still didn't charge for it. You know, there's a couple little tiny electrical things. I said, oh, can you change this? Can you change that? They came out and changed them. The warranty department's been good. I have one friend that was looking to build, and I did recommend Tabor. And even though I hope I don't have to move or in any time the next 15, 20 years, do anything other than what I'm currently doing, if I did have to, I would be more than happy to go back to Tabor again. Yeah, absolutely.